Okay, so this is my empty workspace. In this, I'm just creating a demo.html page. I'm just writing here, hello. Let us see whether it can be seen on the screen. Yes, I see that. I will just add a style sheet to it. Let's say style.css. You can add a less style, SAS style, SCSS style, whatever you please. So let us say that here I'm saying for everything, let the color be my favorite color coming from the logo, E41C29. This is my logo's color. Okay, and I'm just going to attach that particular style sheet to this HTML page. So this is how we do it. Here in href, I write style.css. Let us see that in action. Yes, it is getting applied. Now, the thing is, we do not want hello. We want a div having, let us say, parent class. And inside that div, we are going to have other divs having child class. Okay, so this will be one div. Let's call it as 1. Likewise, we'll have 2 and 3. Okay, so this is how our structure is going to be. And let them also have classes like first, second, and third. Okay, and all the styling will be written in this particular file. So you get the project structure now. I will just close this and rearrange the windows. Here I'm going to write, let us say parent. It should have, let's say, height equal to 100% of the vertical height. And let's say that the children, each of the children has um, padding equal to 5 pixel and margin equal to 5 pixel. Let us see how it looks. And of course, the parent should have some background. Let us call it as this background color. And let us say that the children should have the background color of white. Okay, now let us see. Yeah, this is how they look. Now, this is what you will look at in the beginning. But this is the parent, and you will realize that there's a space at the top of the parent, left and right of the parent, and even at the bottom of the parent. So why is that the case? So CSS guys have a trick to resolve this. They'll say that all the elements will have margin equal to 0 and padding equal to 0. Let us see that in action. See, the spaces are gone. Now, notice that you'll still see some space at the top. So just forget about it at the moment. We are not dealing with it at the moment. Okay. Let us focus on our tutorial. What we're going to do is I'm going to keep this particular style sheet intact. And now whatever style I'm going to add for Flexbox, I'm going to create a separate style sheet for it. So an easy way to do it is I'll just create a style sheet over here. Let's call it flexbox.css and let's include it over here in demo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another link and I'm going to link this flexbox.css over here. So this is our basic structure of the project and this is how it is looking.